You know, I could stand here and tell you that Wing Chun is an amazing art that deeply improves your mental and emotional state, that it is able to correct your posture from inside out, or that it's able to teach you realistic and effective self-defense. I could also add that it gives you the ability to understand and control your body in such a way that you're able to utilize it in the most efficient and effective way possible, regardless of the activity or sport that you are doing. And all of these results can be achieved irrespective of your age, your gender, or fitness level. I could say all this and much more, but instead, with the help of my team, I've developed an online program so that you can try it out for yourself and in a short amount of time be able to actually experience it for yourself. My name is Nima King and I'm the founder of Mindful Wing Chun, which has now become the biggest full-time Kung Fu school in Hong Kong. So far, I've dedicated literally 2/3 of my life practicing and teaching this beautiful art as it was passed down to me by my teacher, Grandmaster Chu Shong Tin, who was actually Bruce Lee's senior classmate when they were practicing under Ip Man in Hong Kong. So in our program, we provide a blueprint to this art through detailed and clear instructional videos and weekly prescribed homework that guide you step by step through the entire system. The great thing is that you can advance through the program at your own pace and in the comfort of your own home. Upon joining the program, you will become part of our online community and gain access to some of the best teachers that this lineage has to offer. And although there are hundreds of great online programs out there for health, self-development, and martial arts, I can confidently guarantee you that none of them is similar to ours, and that the results gained are very unique to this particular method of practice. Now let me highlight again that the benefits gained from this practice are very real and tangible. But again, don't take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and join the thousands of people who have benefited from this practice. And to ensure that everybody can try this out risk-free, if within the first 30 days you're not completely satisfied with any aspect of the program, we will give you a full refund. So then, I look forward to welcoming you to our online family and sharing with you this beautiful art. We'll see you there.